You want to know whether someone is currently on probation or parole, maybe a former associate, maybe someone applying for a job, maybe a person dating someone in your family. Probation and parole are matters of public record in most cases, but accessing the information requires knowing where to look. I'm with people locator skiptracing.com, and we handle status verification as part of broader background investigations. Here's the framework. Court records are the starting point. The criminal case that resulted in probation generates a judgment and sentence that's part of the public court file. Searching court records by the person's name in the counties where they've had legal involvement reveals open cases, including probation status. State court systems with online records make this search relatively easy. Counties without online searchable records require in-person visits or formal records requests. Probation departments are typically operated at the county level for misdemeanors and lower-level felonies. The probation officer assigned to a specific case can confirm whether their probationer is currently active, though privacy rules govern what they can share. Parole boards operate at the state level for most felonies. State parole board records typically show offenders who are currently on parole, including their compliance status. Some state parole records are publicly searchable, others require official requests. Federal probation and parole are handled by the Federal Probation Office. Federal court records through PACER show the underlying case and sentence, including supervised release terms. Federal supervised release is similar to, but distinct from parole, and it follows most federal sentences. The Department of Corrections in each state maintains records of inmates and parolees. State doc inmate locators are usually public and searchable, including release dates and parole supervision status. Some states publish parole and probation case information in their public criminal record databases. Others restrict access. Sentencing details that include probation terms are usually in the underlying criminal court record. Conditions of probation, drug testing, residence restrictions, employment requirements are sometimes part of the public record. Probation violations result in court hearings that are also public record. A search of recent court filings sometimes reveals probation issues that haven't been resolved. The fact that someone completed probation or parole versus is still under supervision affects how their criminal record may appear in employment background checks. Discharge from probation does not automatically expunge the underlying record. For comprehensive status verification, professional background services aggregate court records and supervision databases from multiple jurisdictions. For professional background search and skip tracing services, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping clients verify legal status.